Hi class, here again with another demonstration. Today we're going to be demonstrating page 28, melody, right? Even though page 28 is assigned, tumbling's not assigned, page 28, melody is assigned here. And what we're going to notice, first thing we're going to notice in this piece of music is the left hand. The left hand has two notes stacked above it, right? From previous videos and me explaining that, if we see two notes right above, stacked on top of one another, whether in the right hand or left hand, they are played at the same time. We do not play the right hand first and then we come back and catch the left hand. No, music goes along from left to right, just as if we were reading, right? So that being said, also look at the key signature in this case. We're in a new key. We're in the key of F major. So ask yourself, what does that mean? Before we even sit down and play or put our hands in a position, what does that mean? F major. Well, F is going to be the lowest note in both of our hands. So you need to find on the keyboard where F is and put our hands in the appropriate position. Okay? I'm going to have my assistant pick up the video camera now and I'm going to demonstrate this piece of music for you. Notice that I'm going to be in F major, right? Here is my hand position for F major. F is my lowest note. And if we look at the piece of music here, look at this flat. We've already learned what a flat is. A flat lowers a note a half step, right? And it is on the B line. In the bass clef, it is also on the B line. Therefore, all of the B's that we can counter are going to be flat. So what does my 5-finger hand position look like? Here's what it looks like. Here's B, but I'm not going to play that. It doesn't exist in F major. B flat takes its place. So if I were to do a 5-finger warm-up playing F major, just to get the feel, like I always encourage, of what the hand position feels like, I would do something like this. Register to my brain, oh, that's what it feels like having my second finger and my fourth finger up here. It's not all white keys. No. We have this to worry about. This is going to be important for our midterm coming up. So, let's play this melody, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, class, these notes in the left hand right here are going to be played at the same time. They sound like this. Okay? Now also remember that when we're coming up the scale here, that we need to make sure that this note is altered. That note is a B, and if we follow horizontally that line backwards here, we run into that flat. So what I do is I have some students, they circle that note. Just like we talked about in our scales, we circled those altered notes in our scales. We can go ahead and circle this note in our music to help remind us that that's an altered note. That's an altered note. There's an altered note. There's an altered note. There's an altered note. There's one. There's one. There's one. So all of these notes are B flat. And remembering this is going to help you play this music successfully. Okay? Let's play it one more time. Demonstrate it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So class, as we can see, that piece of music hopefully wasn't all that challenging, right? All we're adding on is playing two notes at once in our left hand, static, not moving, not changing. But as you can see, we've moved from a single line melody to a double line melody to contrary motion. Now we're progressing into our right hand having a melody and our left hand accompanying our right hand, which is what we previously talked about in the very beginning of this class, which sets piano and a few other instruments apart from most other instruments, is its ability to play multiple notes at once and us having two hands able to play a melody with a left hand accompaniment or the left hand backing it up. Until next time, class, take care.